our TFS global vision and truly understand and respond to the diverse needs of our customers. And the recipient of this award is your fast track to instant alert from the customer experience department. Congratulations, Casey, for putting our customers at the heart of your innovation. Next, we have the TPS Project of the Year. So this award honors the project that embodies the Toyota Production System or TPS principle of reducing costs and maximizing profit through the elimination of muda or waste and help achieve true efficiency for our team members. So this year's TPS Project of the Year is Smart Settle from Treasury. Well done, Treasury, for driving operational excellence through TPS. Next, we have the most innovative project. So this award celebrates a project that introduced a new and creative countermeasure, a breakthrough solution that creates real value for our customers. This year's most innovative project